Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Chord and Guitar. We have Ollie here. He's been with us before, and he's back again with Fingers Crossed, okay? It's a nice song, goes in Ollie fashion with melodies and then easy strumming pattern that backs it up, and you can go back and forth between the melody and strumming. And yeah, we will look into this song without any capo, no need for that, and we have 4 chords that are rolling from the beginning till the very end. So we're going to go over the chords first and then look at the melody. So starting now with F, that's a bar chord, and you bar the first fret, all strings there, and then you need to add third on A, third on D, and second on G. Next chord is C, but with an E in the bass. So that means we play all strings, starting with open E in the bass, and then third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. We have D minor as the third chord, and that is open D, second G, third B, and first E. And the final chord is a bar chord, A sharp sus version of it, and that's a bar on the first fret. Again, this time you can skip the last E string in the bass, you don't have to bar that one. So 5 strings below is what you need to, and then you need to add third on D and third on G. Okay, so there you have the chord progression: F, the C, E, the D minor, and the A sharp. All right, so let's go into the picking pattern first. And yeah, we have one round of these chords, and they're pretty similar. The patterns are the same, just pretty much different bass notes. That's what's going on. So we're going to look into the first chord, the F. I suggest to hold this grip. So that will be third fret on the D string, second on G, and first on the high E. So you're going to play this. That's the first half of it. So that goes third on D string, second on G, back to third on D, then first E, and second G, third D, and second G. So that's the first half. It goes like this. When you play this high E, first high E, right after you have a short pause. So it goes. Okay, so you stop at this string and then continues like this. That's the first half. The second half is very similar. The high note now is not the first E string, it will be the third E string, all right? So everything else is the same, so it goes. So it gives us third on D, second on G, back to third on D, then third high E, then second G, third D, and second G. And that is the end of the F, and that is actually the pattern for all of these chords. Now we are just gonna change the bass notes. So for the next chord, the C, E, now the starting bass note is the second fret D string. So instead of third, we have now second. Everything else is the same, so it will sound like this. We can go through that as well. So I have that done 2 times, really understand what's going on. So we're gonna play second on D string, second on G, back to second on D, then first high E, second G, second D, and second G. That's the first half, and the second half goes almost in the same way, just different. Top note there. We'll start with second D, second G, second D, then third high E, second G, second D, and second G. So all right, the next chord is the D minor. Now the bass note is the open D string. Everything else is the same. I don't think we have to go through all these notes again. It will sound like this. And And the final chord is the A sharp. What you can do here is to play a bar from the actual chord and do that on the first fret, because in that way you're going to cover the first bass string, which is now the first A, this note, and you also have it covered with the first high E, which you're going to play from the melody. So it goes. All right. And then you go back and play F. F, C, D minor, and A sharp. That's what's going on. And you can see a pattern here where you pretty much can glue the second fret G string with your mid finger. That's what I almost do. I have to switch it when I come from the first chord F to the C, E, okay? Okay, you could go like this. It's a little bit awkward to go and pass with the ring finger that are used for the third fret D string to go and play that on the second D and keep that second fret G string to mid finger. You could do that, but it's a little bit, yeah, I actually switch there and then I switch back to do the rest of the chords. But it's up to you. If you just want to slide over like this, you have a little awkward turn on your wrist with your hand. It's doable, but it's not maybe optimal. It's up to you how you are built. But I switch fingers and then I switch back again then. But that is pretty much the note that is sticking with us throughout this melody. All right. Enough of chit chat with the melody. Now let's go into the final part, and that is the strumming. So let's go back to the first chord, the F, and grab that one. And one string around will sound like this. Okay, so that is to play down, up, clap, clap. So the start is down, up, clap, up. Down, up, clap, up. So down, up, clap, up, a short pause, and then you just play up, clap. Okay, like this. And a couple rounds goes like this. All right, you're gonna play 2 of these per chord, so F2, CE2, D minor 2, and A sharp 2, like this. All right, so that's how you handle Ollie's both melody and strumming version of the fingers crossed song. So yeah, for the melody, don't cross your fingers too much. You have to separately. I think you understand that. But anyway, a great song if you like Ollie and you like to have easy strumming with some pretty easy melody as well. This is a song to go for. Give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, feel free to support me here on Growing Guitar. Smash that subscribe button and see you soon. Till next time, play tuned.